Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301724, and this is a 2025 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali Ultimate, and our color is Onyx Black. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. All right. So we got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. We've got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes forward collision alert, cruise control settings. We are also super cruise ready. Got our hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got a push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Heated steering wheel feature as well. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. Sunroof and rear window controls with garage door openers, and our interior color is Alpine Umber. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, which also includes heat, a couple of USB ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. Let's move on to our exterior, which includes retractable running boards, 20-inch GMC rims, got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with the rear view camera, which is also fob released, and a spray-on box liner. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301724. You've just checked out this 2025 Onyx Black Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali Ultimate. Thanks for watching.